Hey everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 84 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this LA Colors contour powder that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1, and this is one of their new makeup products that are being sold at the dollar store now. I do like that the dollar store is selling more like trendy makeup trend products. Like, I've never seen contour highlighting before at the dollar store, and I just love that it's something that's very accessible and a trend that is even being featured at the dollar store, because I love the contour and highlight trend. So the packaging isn't even terrible. It's just very thin plastic, no mirror, no brush or applicator, but the pans are actually pretty big. So let's see how they feel. Ooh, that actually feels kind of smooth. Yeah, they're kind of like creamy powders. Ooh, that's nice. I was expecting them to feel very chalky. Let's see the swatching. Wow, I feel like there's a lot of pigment in this bronzer. Decent amount of pigment in this highlight as well. Okay, so far I'm kind of impressed. This might look decent. So another really great find from the dollar store was all of these Wet n Wild brushes. So they were selling the brushes individually for $1 each, but I like these Wet n Wild brushes. I feel like you can get these other places, and I got this contour brush, and so far I've been really liking it. So I'm gonna go in with this contour shade. Did you guys see that? Like, it blended out quite nicely. It definitely went on with a good amount of pigment. I did go in with a very light hand to be careful at first, but I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more now that I know that it can blend. That did a perfectly good job of contouring. So I forgot to mention that all that I have on my skin right now for makeup is the IT Cosmetics CC cream. So I didn't put any other powders or anything on my skin, so I just really wanted to see how this performs on its own. But I like this actually as a contour. I would definitely put this like on top of my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and really be able to carve out some nice contouring. Take it on my nose a little bit. I feel like they did a good job with this contour shade. Like, it's not reddish or orangey. It's like a very good kind of deep brown shade that's really perfect for contouring. Next, for highlighting. So it doesn't have any shimmer to it, so I'm not thinking it's gonna be like the typical cheekbone highlight. I'm thinking more go on top of concealer, which I don't have any concealer on right now. So let's just start out by seeing how it looks on the skin. Right, so it's really not doing anything on my skin. I'm not seeing any sort of highlight because there's no sheen to it at all. Also, I feel like that contour shade looks very smooth on my skin, but this highlight shade is looking kind of dry, powdery, cakey. So I wouldn't even want to use this as like a setting powder because it definitely emphasizes texture and doesn't sit very smoothly on my skin. But hey, the contour shade I like, and I'll definitely use it. Even though I won't really be using this highlight shade, for $1, I think this is not bad. Pretty worth it. I'm really happy to see that the dollar store is stepping up their game in types of products that they offer, but also the quality of the products. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any good dollar store makeup products that you've tried. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.